And I think this car ran into some problems during its development. Any good product happens that way. The best products in our industry, you go back and meet from all the people who actually made it happen, and you're gonna find a moment or two when someone said, you're not gonna do it. It's not gonna make enough money, it's not good enough for the company, it's not gonna help our brand. And this car was no different. There were 2 times when the project basically stopped. And we weren't sure if it was gonna go through. And so we all worked together, and some that wasn't polite, but we got it done.
Hey guys, there it is behind me, the Mustang GTD supercar in the flesh with your boy StangMode. Will Ford approve me? I have no idea. I don't even know if I can afford this. I'm gonna do a walk around, talk about it, take a closer deep dive. I also heard the spoiler is an option. Oh, I'm gonna give me the stripped down model version of this. Let's see what happens. Let's take a look. The Mustang supercar is here.
"54 years later.
Fun just like I'm having in this 69 Mach 1. So go now, link in description on freesupply.com. Grab some merch. This can be yours. We are here at the North American International Auto Show with the Mustang huge kind of meetup. They have the best of the best here. I snuck in, so I'm here. I'm excited. We're at the the Grand Riverview Ballroom in Detroit. Behind me is Canada, and they got a lot of cool stuff here. We're gonna talk about Mustang Future, the GTD. We're gonna see it in person. I'm super excited to see it in the flesh, and yes, we are going to try. We are going to try to get it to the channel. We see that they have the bred to race screens there. Ford Mustang taking over the world, guys. I like it. I like that. I like that vibe. I think that vibe is hot. I think that vibe is powerful. We'll see. We'll see. I'm excited in the flesh to see the GTD. I believe that's what they're going to show us, and then Mustang's future overall. So, all right, you guys. And if you guys, before we go any further, please check out the giveaway for the 1969 Mach 1. Can't remind you enough. Our fastest giveaway ever. It's like a month left. So go now on freesupply.com, grab some merch, enter to win. But some people call it the best Mustang ever, the first generation 69 fastback Mach 1 can be yours. Every $1 spent is an entry. All right, I digress. Enough promotion, enough of the hype. Let's go see the GT. We've been waiting. We're gonna see Speed Phenom's new car. Coming in. So excited to say, he's taking delivery today. He's gonna drive it home to California, do some pulls. He's gonna go drag race it, weigh it.
We'll link up.
We'll do all that stuff.
We'll link up.
We're going inside, guys. This is some cool stuff. Look at all this. A little more camera equipment than I have there, than the iPhone. But let's see what. Look at this, guys. Well, well, well. They got everything covered here. This is insane. Uh-oh. Merch. We're going to definitely get some merchandise, guys. Look at this. Merch for days. But you know what got good merch? On freesupply.com. I'm just teasing. But, guys, check it out. That's the Mach-E Rally. Our love 24 S650, which we have at home. Papa Smurf. This is Vapor Blue. Eco Beast is here. We actually did a video on this car a few months back. And a Dark Horse. Mine should be coming soon. Stay tuned. And what do we got over there? Bred to race. Something's behind there You know, I mean, look at this, guys. Drop a like, guys. Please subscribe. We work hard to give you this content, and I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe. Helps the algorithm, helps me out, helps me pay for all these Mustangs. But look at that. They have the big Mustang there, and I'm pretty sure what we have behind us there is going to be the GTD. Look at this. This is some of the active aero on display. We have here, let me showcase this to you guys, the transaxle setup. So yes, the 8-speed dual clutch transaxle. So this sits over the back rear wheels. This is the 8-speed dual clutch. That's gonna give it that 50-50 weight distribution to get what they're saying, a sub 7-minute Nürburgring time. Crazy. And you can see the suspension back here. Carbon brakes. Look at this. All right, so what we have behind us is the Mustang GT3 right there, and GT4 right here. So we're gonna get to see those in the flesh. And then we have the Dark Horse R. What you got? Oh, you ate it already.
Oh, yeah.
You got beef and potato out here. Sinister already finished that. Look at this guy. I can't even wait for the shot.
So we take what we're really good at, like a Mustang, and we do the unthinkable and take on the Europeans, punch for punch, at what they've been doing for decades as an underdog.
Ford's really gonna make a road-going version of that GT3 race car.
It takes it to the best supercars in the world.
How far can we push what's under the skin of this car?
This is a track monster that'll make their jaws drop.
All of that technology focused to go like hell.
We were working with Ford Performance on a GT3 version of the new Generation 7 Mustang. We got 15% into that project. Jim Farley took a look at it. He goes, we need a road version of that.
Something at least 800 horsepower. You know we're gonna go way past that. And I know there's a bunch of people in the audience that they're gonna take 800 and whatever it is and go way past that.
Nearly 60 years ago, Mustang redefined driving freedom and created an American icon on the street and on the track.
All right, guys, this is the first time you're seeing it in the flesh. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna try to get this shot here.
And now this 7th generation Mustang is road racing. Belong to that Daytona.
All right, guys, behind me, GTD in the flesh, the $300,000, 800 plus horsepower Mustang GTD. Your boy is gonna try to get one and bring it to the channel. I have no idea how. Enter for the giveaway. That might be one route, but my gosh, look at this, guys. Right there in real life. They're calling this the supercar killer. How it all is in concert together. But these fenders are just incredible. But you can see how much is into this car with the aero. Look at this. You do see the 2024 headlights. They're in there. I just love this front end. You can see that there. So that's all active aero. Everything is functional. Like, guys, we have a Mustang supercar. I think I'm gonna try to get it in probably a white or black color, but still have the good old lugs that Ford has on all their cars. There's nothing wasted. One thing we don't know is how much this weighs. So being carbon fiber, I don't want to guess yet, but I'm sure it's not as heavy as, you know, I'd say in the 3,500 range. I could be wrong, but, you know, that remains to be seen. There's the back end, looking amazing. Just wide. This is a street car, guys. Like, if you are able to get one, you could take this, not just to the track, but this is the street car that can kill supercars. And Mustang is definitely taken to the next level. I just love the wide body. You can see the air that goes in there, all wind tunnel tested. I mean, the front wheels alone are 325, 30, 20s. Like, just wow. Cup 2 tires on the front. I would love to put this kid on a regular 24, but the real thing is a real thing, guys. But I tell you right now, just incredible. You can see the hood pins there. Let's focus. You got the hood pins, very similar to the GT500. You got the hood vents there to dissipate the heat. This is the 5.2 supercharged, pretty much the same as the GT500 that we had. 8-speed dual clutch, transaxle. So the transmission is actually in the back with the horizontal suspension that's flexing inside. Just looks totally crazy, and I'd love to have it. I don't know how I'm gonna get it. I'm teasing, but I'm kind of not teasing. Please enter the giveaway. That's kind of the only way I'm gonna try to get one of these guys. But you can see this is the way. And I want you to take a close look. Let's take a close look at the crazy wang. What I'm questioning, the question in me is, can you open the trunk lid with that wing? So I'm sure there's some ways. You can see some hood pins there to get it off. So I'm sure it might come off like forward this way. It's not going to open like traditional. That wing is fixed, but it looks to be that the interior, just like S650, we're going to have much more content on the GTD, but this is my first time seeing it in the flesh. And yep. And most people say this about the 24. When they see it in person, that's really what changes their minds. And let me showcase to you some of the, we can see the ventilation here. This hood is incredible. Like, just incredible, guys. And guys, before I go any further, shameless plug, help me get the GTD. Go to on3spot.com, grab some merch, enter win the Mach 1. Maybe bring a GTD to the channel. You can see here the taillights are just like off of 24. I guarantee there's going to be copycat body kits, but one of the things that they did say was, oh, this is a good angle here, look at that. You can see the cooling there. Like, my gosh. Thing for days. Just wow. I usually talk a lot. I'm kind of speechless because I never thought I'd see the day that a Mustang like this would exist. But shout out to Ford. And this also exists because the Mustang fans exist. I want to make sure.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm here.
It's been a
You
long
know who
time.
this is. What's it been, like 2 years?
Probably more than 2. It's been
The
a long
world
time.
famous. I mean, if you're not following her, is it still that 1320 chick? See,
Well,
look
you
at
know
it.
what now? My car makes close to 1320 now.
By the way, she destroys Mama. Her car is way faster, but I'm not gonna let her race.
Well, I
me
wanted
ever.
to call you out. I truly
Oh.
wanted to call you out at Echo, but they got rid of Echo SUV.
I personally closed Echo so that race wouldn't happen. So sorry, guys.
Did you buy it? Are you the buyer?
No. I wish I
I was
was.
hoping
I'm
you
trying
were.
to sell the whole life for the. What do you mean by the GTD?
I Okay, so I'll be honest, I was underwhelmed. Like I was like, oh, how are they gonna get Porsche nameplate owners to want a Mustang? And then now that I'm here and I'm seeing like what went behind it, once I hear the full story, then it sells me. So now I'm looking at the transaxle, the wheels, and just more of like the thought that goes behind it.
Okay.
And then it definitely changes my opinion.
I'm thinking about a group buy. Me, you, we get some other people in here. Let's group buy this thing. We'd be like Captain Planet.
Okay.
Everybody comes
We're gonna
together.
have to timeshare it
we
out.
just have to timeshare this with all the influencers. But listen, I want to give a big congratulations to you.
Me?
You're at Motor Trend right now?
I am, yes.
Dude, guys,
Yeah.
congrats to her. Her TikTok is blowing up. Of course, her Instagram's great. YouTube is great. But check her out.
Thanks, guys.
1320 chick, a great ambassador, inspiration for me, you know.
Inspiration. Come on.
Listen,
You
I'll be
started it.
real. Listen,
I appreciate
I'm trying to grow my hair out again, you know. I've been through all these variations, different wraps,
I know,
different hairstyles.
I know.
So I'm a fan, but listen, congrats.
It was nice
Say
to
hi to
see
hubby
ya.
for me.
I will.
My
you gotta
friend.
Come, well, are you going to be here for a minute?
I'm leaving in the morning.
I was going to say you should come check out Brian's car. It's actually like together.
I'm going to come back. I
Yeah.
need to come back and collab with you guys and get up. And,
Yeah, let us know because so we did a SN95 Coyote swap. So he's got a piston rod, 18 plus engine with a 3-liter whip on it, and it's a stick car. But it's got the S550 interior.
I want to see that bad boy.
You need to come back.
All right, selfie time. Let's take a picture. All right, thank you. Now, I got another celebrity here. You guys may not know, but you're gonna know. I'm not a Fox Body guy because they scare me. I got the Fox Body queen right here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Lauren. Lala Fox 92 is my alias.
I'm gonna cut to the clip right now that like just changed the whole automotive world.
Oh, that's a little
Listen,
dramatic.
the views say they did.
Yeah.
Let me be real.
The views were
Millions
of views. Yeah.
and millions of views on her stick shift driving her Fox in the tunnel.
Yeah.
But dude, so proud of you.
Thank you.
Listen, it's not just the guys in Mustang. We got the girls here. It's the girls show. I'm gonna talk to her about what
Girls world,
a
baby.
Fox Body should be. What do you think about the GTD? Thoughts?
So, Joanna and I spoke with Jim Owens a little bit earlier.
Okay.
I'm impressed.
Okay.
I'm impressed.
See what I mean? The story changes,
Changes,
like
yes.
your opinion on it.
When you
but
hear-
it's also talking to Jim. I don't know if you've met Jim Owens or you talked to him.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
man could sell meat here.
Jim Owens can sell salt to a slug. Let's
This is a
let's be
very
real.
impressive car. When they release everything, specific specs in the future, I think everyone's going to be really impressed. And this one's I feel like built for the racers, built for the enthusiasts. This can't be a garage queen. I'm sorry.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw a drag pack on it. You know, we're
Yeah.
gonna re-reverse this.
Yeah.
Take it to the drag strip. Like, why'd you take off those 21-inch brakes? I'm like, listen, we need weight reduction here for the drag strip.
He did say the power to weight, or the weight was like perfectly 50-50.
So, hey.
he's like, it's probably not good for drag racing. I'm like, yes.
I'm
it
like,
is.
what? Yes, it is. But listen, that remains to be seen. Let's get a selfie. I just want to take a picture with you so I can. All right, perfect flex. Thank you. Guys, influencers are here. Check them out, follow them. Big fans of them. GTD Mustang supercar. Let's go.